it's getting hard, if it's getting too hard for you to keep running, baby, take a minute, slow down, yo. You love it. If it's getting too hard for you to keep running, baby, take a minute, slow down, yo. You love it.
2,000-ish years later.
All right, go for it. Pray it turns on.
Hot dog.
Woohoo! Let's see if it posts up on my screen. Please post on the screen.
Have an orange light underneath.
DisplayPort, yeah, this is an old DisplayPort monitor. It's one of the issues. And it may power off for the first time.
The cool rating.
Looks like everything's working.
Sounds like everything's
And the
working.
pump is working too. I can hear some of the pump working too. I just gotta get it to actually come up on my screen. Let's see what I can do here. All right, we're into the BIOS, and so we did good. Heidi's build.
Oh, no. Team effort.
Team effort on this one, but first time turned on. And we'll get, it's our white little build on a black and a black desk. I'm gonna get a white monitor. Well, this is a very, very old monitor, 2016, but it looks like it worked for us. Woot, woot, woot. It's always a nerve-wracking thing when you've got a PC that costs close to $2,000 that you build yourself.
Mm-hmm.
But it'll look good. My cables are short too, so we don't know exactly where this new PC is going to go, but we'll figure it out. But now it's time to actually figure out functionality and try to get it to where it's going to maximize the CPU. Right, very good.